When we talk about your average 9-to-5 job, I'm just going to be honest. $40,000 a year sounds like survival money, not wealth-building money. But what if I told you that the average person making $40K could quietly build a six-figure investment portfolio in just a few years? Without a raise, without a side hustle, and without winning the lottery. Sounds impossible, right? Good. That's exactly what broke people think before they accidentally fund the rich through credit card interest, subscriptions, and bad habits. Because here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with what you make. How you move, how you play the money game, and how you use leverage like the rich do. So today, I'm breaking down the 10 steps to turn a $40,000 job into real wealth. Not fantasy wealth, not manifestation wealth, but real, quiet, compound wealth. The kind that lets you walk away one day without anyone even knowing how you did it. Let's start with step number 1. And if you're like me, this one's gonna sting. Step number 1, accept that $40,000 isn't a life sentence. Okay, for starters, here's the first mindset shift. If you treat $40,000 like a prison, you'll live like an inmate. But if you treat it like a seed, you'll start watering it. And this is what I'll explain to you, so listen closely. You see, because most people making $40,000 feel stuck because they compare their paycheck to someone else's lifestyle. The guy with the Tesla, the girl with the new apartment, the influencer working from Bali. But wealth isn't about income comparison, it's about capital control. Someone making $40,000 but investing 20% is doing better than someone making $100,000 and spending it all. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people making six figures are still broke. They just have nicer debt, new car debt, mortgage debt, lifestyle debt. You can win because you're starting small but thinking big. So instead of asking, how do I survive on $40,000? Start asking, how do I turn $40,000 into leverage? Because the moment you stop identifying with your paycheck and start identifying as an investor, that's the day your wealth journey begins. You've accepted that $40,000 isn't a curse, but now we need to fix where it's actually going. Because if you don't master step number 2, your money's vanishing faster than your paycheck hits your account. Step number 2, track every dollar like it's a spy mission. Basically what that means is you can't grow what you don't measure, and most people's bank accounts look like a crime scene. If I asked you right now, where did your last $1,000 go? Most people would blink like they just woke up from a coma. Subscriptions, gas, groceries, Amazon, it's all a blur. Here's the secret the rich know. Tracking money isn't about restriction, it's about control. Every dollar you earn is an employee. You can either send them to work or let them wander aimlessly at Starbucks. The goal here is simple. Make your money work harder than you do. Start by doing a 90-day financial audit. Grab your bank statements, highlight every single transaction, and categorize them. Needs, wants, and wasted. You'll be shocked how much wasted money hides in plain sight. That $200 a month you can't explain? That's $2,400 a year, or $12,000 in 5 years invested. Once you track it, automate it. Apps like Monarch Money, Copilot, or even a Google Sheet will turn you into the CFO of your life. Because if you want to be rich, you have to act like you run a business, and your income is your first company. Okay, so you've stopped your money from leaking, but tracking isn't enough. Because next, we're going to flip the script and start using your paycheck like a wealth machine. Step number 3, turn your paycheck into a system, not a stress signal. Let's be real, most people's payday looks like this. Get paid, pay bills, feel broke, repeat. That's not a financial plan. That's a hamster wheel with Wi-Fi. The wealthy don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. So here's exactly how to build one. Split your paycheck automatically. 50% to essentials, rent, bills, food, 30% to investments/savings, 20% to fun or guilt-free spending. Automate it. The moment your paycheck hits, your money should already be moving into your Roth IRA, 401k, brokerage, or high-yield savings. Forget it exists, because wealth isn't built by intention, it's built by automation. Think about it like this. The same way Netflix charges you every month without asking permission, you should charge yourself first before anyone else does. It's not about how disciplined you are, it's about designing your life so discipline becomes unnecessary. And before we continue, when you finish watching this video, go back and watch our series on the journey to financial freedom. We've created specific videos to help align you with your goals to build true generational wealth. And as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and consider becoming a member to always stay updated. But anyways, now automation's great, but if your money's working, you should be too. And that brings us to step number 4, how to make your career a wealth engine instead of a paycheck treadmill. Step number 4, make your 9-to-5 your first investor, not your enemy. Okay, now here's the truth. No one on TikTok wants to admit you don't need to quit your job to build wealth. You need to repurpose it. Because your job isn't just a paycheck, it's seed money for your future freedom. When you shift your mindset from, I work for this company, to this company funds my investments, everything changes. Think about it. You show up, do the work, and someone pays you to fund your next move, your real estate down payment, your index fund contributions, your side hustle. That's not slavery, that's leverage. The broke mindset says, I hate my job, I'm underpaid. The rich mindset says, my job is my first investor, and I'm using every dollar it gives me to buy freedom. So instead of quitting in rage, milk your job strategically. Use it for free training or certifications. Most companies reimburse learning. Few employees ever ask. 401k matches. That's free money. Don't leave it on the table. Networking access. You're sitting next to people with skills, clients, and connections that can shortcut your next income move. Every hour at work is buying you equity in your future self. But of course, if you're not careful, all that hard-earned money can vanish the moment lifestyle creep sneaks in. And step number 5 will slap that danger right out of your life. Step number 5, destroy lifestyle creep before it destroys you. Let's play a quick game. When you got your last raise, did you increase your investments or your DoorDash orders? Exactly. Most people don't have income problems. They have upgrade addictions. Every new paycheck becomes an excuse to buy a reward. New phone, new shoes, nicer car, slightly fancier sushi. But here's the rich person's secret. Every upgrade delays freedom. The moment your expenses rise with your income, your wealth potential flatlines. Imagine 2 people. Person A makes $40,000, invests $10,000 a year. Person B makes $80,000 but spends $79,000. Guess who retires first? Exactly, the poor one. If you want to win, adopt the silent lifestyle. Upgrade your net worth, not your appearance. That means keep your car humble, keep your rent smart, keep your ego out of your wallet, because wealth loves quiet people. The flashier you get, the slower you grow. Here's a rule. Every time you get a raise, pretend it never happened, and redirect that extra income straight into investments or debt payoff. It's the stealthiest wealth move you'll ever make. And speaking of stealth, step number 6 is where the magic happens, where your money finally stops working for you and starts working without you. Step number 6, invest automatically, even if it's only $100. See if you've been watching our recent videos. You already know what I'm about to say. If your money's sitting in a checking account, it's doing one thing, dying slowly. Inflation is a silent thief. At 3% inflation, your $1,000 loses $30 a year in value just by sitting still. Meanwhile, the wealthy are compounding, quietly, automatically, relentlessly. Here's the hack. You don't need thousands to invest. You just need automation plus consistency. Start with index funds. Something as simple as $100 a month into VOO or VTI, S&P 500 index funds, can grow into tens of thousands over time. Let's do the math. $100 a month for 20 years at 10% average return equals $76,000. Double that contribution? Boom! Over $150,000. And if your employer offers a 401k match, that's free compounding. The trick is to set it and forget it, because emotions kill returns. Automation builds them. Want to go further? Open a Roth IRA, tax-free growth. Contribute monthly. Diversify into low-cost ETFs. Stop chasing the next crypto miracle and start mastering boring consistency. That's what rich people secretly do. Think of every dollar you invest as a soldier. Your job is to deploy them on the battlefield of time and let compound interest do the fighting. Now, all of this investing is great, but the truth is your environment might still be holding you back. And that's why step number 7 separates the quiet builders from the forever broke crowd. Step number 7, audit your circle because broke energy is contagious. Look, I'm just going to say it. You can't outsave stupidity, especially when you're surrounded by it. If your friends spend every weekend celebrating, being broke, you're never going to escape. Money habits spread like gossip, fast and toxic. Here's a harsh truth. If you hang out with 5 people who complain about money, you'll become the 6th. You need to upgrade your financial environment before your financial reality can change. Start small. Follow creators who teach wealth, not flex it. Join communities talking about investing, not clubbing. Surround yourself with people who see $100 as seed money, not fun money. Because wealth isn't just a number, it's a culture. And cultures either build you or break you. Look at your group chat. If nobody's talking about financial growth, business ideas, or investing, you're in the wrong chat. Here's what I call the $100 test. Ask your friends, if you had $100 right now, what would you do with it? If they say spend it, cool, that's their choice. But if they say flip it or invest it, that's someone you keep close, because one smart friend can change your entire wealth trajectory. All right, you've cut the waste, built systems, and surrounded yourself with growth. But now it's time for the next phase, the one that turns small, consistent actions into real, visible wealth. Let's get into step number 8. Step number 8, build quiet income streams. Start small, scale fast. You've automated your paycheck, you're investing consistently. Now it's time to unlock the holy grail of wealth, income that doesn't clock in. Let's be clear, passive income isn't no work. It's front-loaded work that pays you later. The goal? To slowly replace earned income with asset income. Here's how to start small, even on a $40,000 salary. 1. Use skill arbitrage. If you can design, write, edit, or organize, turn that into a micro freelance gig. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy let you trade skills for dollars without quitting your job. 2. Monetize what you already know. Turn your knowledge into digital assets. Ebooks, Notion templates, mini courses. Your brain has value. Package it once, sell it forever. 3. Dividend investing. Buy a stock that pays 3% a year in dividends and reinvest. It might sound tiny, but over time, it snowballs, especially when combined with consistency. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to buy a whole property. Sites like Fundrise or REIT ETFs let you own slivers of real estate for $10 to $100. Because the truth is this, wealth isn't built by working harder. It's built by stacking income layers, one stream at a time. Here's the game. Your goal isn't to have one big river of income, it's to build 5 small streams that flow even when you're asleep. That's how regular people go from just getting by to financially untouchable. But once those streams start flowing, there's a trap you must avoid, and that's what step number 9 is all about. The difference between staying rich and staying broke with fancy math. Step number 9, master stealth wealth. Stay low, build slow. To be quite honest, here's something rich people will never tell you. The quieter you look, the faster you grow. Because the moment you start flexing, you're broke again, just louder this time. Stealth wealth isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. It's choosing freedom over validation. It's knowing that real power doesn't need applause. The average person wants to look rich. The wealthy want to be rich, in silence. Stealth wealth looks like this: driving a reliable car, but owning assets that could buy 10 of them, wearing simple clothes, but stacking silent equity, living below your means so opportunity above your means becomes affordable. Because, let's be honest, attention is expensive. Every time you flex, you attract taxes, envy, and pressure. Meanwhile, quiet investors buy more shares while everyone else buys Gucci belts. Here's a psychological cheat code. If it impresses strangers, it probably depresses your bank account. So learn to disappear financially. Not because you're hiding, but because real wealth moves in silence. And once you master that, you'll realize that being invisible financially is what makes you unstoppable economically. And now the final step, the one that ties it all together. Because all the money habits in the world mean nothing if you don't master step number 10. Step number 10, design a life that doesn't need escaping. Let's be real. The reason most people chase wealth isn't for yachts or private jets. It's to buy peace of mind. The ultimate goal of turning a $40,000 job into wealth isn't quitting, it's choosing. Choosing how you spend your time, choosing where your energy goes, choosing what freedom actually looks like for you. If your version of rich still depends on escape, you're building the wrong life. So here's the move. Every decision you make should move you closer to options. Pay off debt buys mental freedom. Build savings buys security. grow investments, buys time, learn skills, buys leverage. Freedom isn't one big leap. It's 100 tiny decisions that make your job optional. The people who win aren't the ones who make the most money. They're the ones who design lives that cost less to enjoy. You don't need a mansion. You need margin. You don't need millions to feel wealthy. Just enough to wake up and say, I own my time today. That's real wealth. All right, now let's run it back so I know you paid attention, because you just learned how to quietly flip a $40,000 job into real, lasting wealth. Except $40,000 isn't a curse. It's a seed. Wealth starts in your mindset, not your paycheck. Track every dollar like it's undercover. Awareness is your first asset. Automate your money system. Systems beat discipline every time. Make your job your investor. Use it, don't hate it. Kill lifestyle creep. The only thing that should rise with your income is your investments. Invest automatically. Compound interest doesn't care about your excuses. Upgrade your circle. Broke energy is contagious. Stay vaccinated. Build quiet income streams. Multiply your money without multiplying your workload. Master stealth wealth. Flex your assets, not your outfits. Design a life that doesn't need escaping. Because freedom is the real flex. That's the playbook the quiet rich have been using for decades. And now it's yours. So here's your challenge. Take one step, just one from this video, and apply it this week. Track your spending, automate your paycheck, open that investment account. It doesn't matter where you start, it matters that you start. Because your $40,000 job isn't holding you back. Your habits are. And the moment you flip that script, you're no longer working for money. Money's working for you. And hey, if you made it this far, comment the words stealth wealth below, so I know you're one of the few who actually get it. Because most people will scroll past this and stay broke, but not you. You're building wealth, silently. As a matter of fact, there is actually one simple formula I can guarantee no one taught you that builds unstoppable wealth in your life. We break it down step by step. Just click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.